వెల్కమ్ టు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కార్నర్. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్ ముఖ్యమైన ప్రశ్నల విషయంలో 4 డేస్ పూర్తయింది. ఈరోజు 5th డే అనమాట. ఈరోజు మరికొన్ని బిట్స్కి ఆన్సర్స్ మనం చూద్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈరోజు, ద ఈస్టర్న్ చాళుక్యాస్ built a grand temple at Draksharama in the honor of which Hindu god? Answer, Shiva. The Satavahana were the first native Indian dynasty to issue their own coins with the portraits of the rulers. Satavahana is the answer. Next, which Satavahana king started the practice of bearing matronym with the original name? Answer, Gautamiputra Satakarni. Next, the shrines of Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu and Lord Veerabhadra in in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh are a major attraction for pilgrims from all over India. So దీనికి కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ లేపాక్షి టెంపుల్. నెక్స్ట్, ఇన్ విచ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ వాజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు గ్రామర్ టైటిల్డ్ ఆంధ్ర శబ్ద చింతామణి రిటన్? ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ అ సాంస్క్రిట్ అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్, ఇక్ష్వాకు రూలర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్ర కంట్రీ practiced Vedic religion themselves but were the great supporters of which religion? Answer, Buddhism. Next, the deltas that give fertile alluvial plains to Andhra Pradesh are formed by the two important rivers, Krishna and Godavari. Next, after the decline of which dynasty did the Shatavahanas establish their independent rule for about 450 years in the Deccan? Answer, Mauryas. Next, 15th question, Lord Veerabhadra, the patron deity of the Nayak rulers, is the wrathful form of which Hindu god? Answer, Shiva. Next, which one of the following religions was not prevalent at the time of Chalukyas? Answer is a Judaism. Next, Dash was authored by Gunadhya, the minister under the rule of Hala? Answer, Brihat Katha. Next, what information do we get from the inscriptions that enlightens us about the condition of the woman during the Shatavahana rule? Answer is the practice of polygamy was not prevalent even among the princes. Next, King Hala, the 17th ruler of Satavahana dynasty, wrote Gata Saptasati in Prakrit language. Next, the Andhras mentioned in the writings of Greek writer Pliny were also known as the Shatavahanas. Next, there was frequent shifting of capitals. Which one of the following was never used as a capital city by the Shatavahana rulers? Answer, Pataliputra. Next, under the Shatavahana dynasty, which one of the following were not the feudal chiefs? Answer, Mahajanapadas. Next, which one of the following statements is correct about the prevalent practice of adoption of matrimony during the Shatavahana and Ikshwaku's rule? So దీనికి రైట్ ఆన్సర్స్ మనకు high social status according to women. Next, the stone pillar inscriptions are reliable source of information. The iron pillar at Vaishali does not provide information about Ikshwakus. Next, Someswara 3 1126 to 38 AD came to the throne of Kalyani after the death of his father. Answer, Vikramaditya 6 anamata. Next, the combined forces of the rulers Velnadu, Giri Paschima and Konakandravada joined hands with the Kulotunga II and defeated the Western Chalukyas in the Battle of Maneru. Next, Draksharama temple, a part of Pancharama shrines, is a fine example of fine architectural style of Eastern Chalukyas. Next, the Kavitrayam, a group of famous three poets, Nannaya, Tikkana, Errana translated which great epic to Telugu? Answer, Mahabharat. Next, the Western Chalukyas were thrown out of power after 17 years by the imperial Cholas with the help of local chiefs. Next, after the Shatavahana's, which Kakatiya ruler was successful in bringing the whole Telugu under one rule in AD 1199? Answer, Ganapati Deva. Next question చూద్దాం. Kakatiyas built a temple that became famous as the brightest gem in among all the medieval temple architecture. Where it is located? Answer is Palampeta. Next, after the fall of Kakatiyas, which kingdom conquered Warangal from Muslims and ruled the area from AD 1325 to AD 1368? Nayaks. Next, the great kingdom of Vijayanagar was established by Sangama brothers Harihara and Bukkaraya in AD 1336 on the banks of Tungabhadra. Next, King Harihara Raya II succeeded to throne of Vijayanagar Empire after his father Bukkaraya I. Next, Kakatiya King Ganapati Deva had no son, so his daughter Rudraamba succeeded her father in AD 1262 in spite of opposition from many generals. Next, Dash was the adventurous ruler of Vijayanagara who followed the policy of playing one sultan against another, which eventually led to their joining hands with each other. Answer, Ramaraya. Next, Ramaraya 37th అండి. So Dash was the dynasty that never ruled over the Vijayanagara, Sangama dynasty. Next, the dynasty ruled over Andhra country from 12th to 13th centuries. Answer, Western Chalukyas. Next, the Arvindu dynasty ruled from which one of the following place? Answer is Golconda. Thank you. Jai Hind.